Greetings. In this tutorial, we are going to see how you can enhance the quality of your image using an AI-powered tool called Picwish. So to begin, you go in your browser, you type in picwish.com/photo-enhancer, press enter. And then after, you come here on the side where you see upload image to bring in that image that you want to enhance the quality of. Then it should load you to your computer where you should be able to select the image that you want to increase the quality. For example, pick this. And then to load the image here to start processing it. This is all dependent on how good your internet is as well, how fast it will be able to process the image that you've brought in. Okay, so you see if you come, this is the before and this is the after. So it shows you how it looks before and how it's going to look after. So after you see its effect, how it's going to work on it, then you click here on download image.